Welcome to G Fun Facts Online. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of us: mental health. The demand for support is skyrocketing, but access to care is often blocked by high costs, stigma, and a sheer lack of professionals. But what if a powerful new ally could help bridge this gap? What if that ally was artificial intelligence? This isn't science fiction anymore. AI is here, and it's starting to revolutionize how we understand, diagnose, and treat our minds. Let's explore how. So what's the engine behind this revolution? It's a combination of several key AI technologies. First, you have machine learning and its advanced cousin, deep learning. Think of them as super-powered pattern detectors. They can analyze massive datasets, from your health records to brain scans, to spot connections that humans might miss. For example, some studies show machine learning can predict the onset of psychosis with up to 93% accuracy just by analyzing speech patterns. Then there's natural language processing, or NLP. This is crucial because therapy is all about language. NLP allows machines to understand and interpret human speech and text. It can analyze therapy transcripts or even your own journal entries to detect subtle linguistic markers, like shifts in tone or sentiment, that signal mental distress. Next is computer vision. This technology teaches computers to understand the visual world. It can analyze facial expressions, body language, and even microscopic muscle changes to detect nonverbal cues of your emotional state. Researchers are using it to spot signs of depression, PTSD, and even ADHD by tracking things like eye movement. Finally, the one you've probably heard a lot about recently, generative AI and large language models, or LLMs. This is the tech behind those incredibly sophisticated chatbots. They can create new, nuanced conversations, offering support and even guiding users through established therapeutic frameworks like cognitive behavioral therapy. These technologies are creating some truly groundbreaking applications. Let's start with early detection. Traditionally, diagnosing a mental health condition relies on what a patient reports and what a doctor observes, which can be subjective. But AI offers a more data-driven approach. By analyzing vocal biomarkers in your speech, patterns in your online behavior, and your health records, I can flag risks for conditions like depression with remarkable accuracy. A fantastic real-world example is the REACH Vet program from the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. It uses a predictive model to analyze veteran health records to identify those at the highest risk for suicide, allowing for proactive, life-saving intervention. AI is also making treatment personal. The old one-size-fits-all approach often means a frustrating process of trial and error. AI promises an era of precision psychiatry. By analyzing your unique biological and psychological data, machine learning models can predict which therapy or medication is most likely to work for you. One startup, Aphrid Health, is building a model to help doctors prescribe the right antidepressant from the very beginning. Studies suggest these personalized plans could increase remission rates for depression by up to 30%. And perhaps the most visible application is the rise of AI companions. Chatbots like Wobot, Wysa, and Serena are providing immediate, 24/7 support. They break down barriers of cost and geography, offering exercises based on proven therapies like CBT right on your phone. They aren't a replacement for a human therapist, but they are a vital first step or a great support tool between sessions. But this powerful technology is a double-edged sword, and we have to talk about the risks. The first major concern is data privacy. Mental health data is incredibly intimate. We need absolute certainty that our deepest thoughts and feelings are secure. While laws like HIPAA in the US exist, their application to new tech companies can be a gray area, and a single data breach could be devastating. Then there's the massive problem of algorithmic bias. AI models learn from the data we feed them. If that data reflects existing societal biases, The AI will learn and amplify them. A 2019 study found a healthcare algorithm was less likely to refer Black patients for extra care compared to white patients with similar conditions. Another study from CU Boulder found AI screening tools could underdiagnose depression in women because of differences in speech patterns. We must actively work to create diverse datasets to ensure fairness. And this brings us to the irreplaceable human element. I can simulate empathy, but I can't feel it. The therapeutic relationship, that bond of trust and rapport you build with a therapist, is a critical part of healing. A 2025 Stanford study found some chatbots even expressed stigma or responded inappropriately in crisis situations. This highlights the danger of relying solely on AI. The consensus among experts is clear. I should augment human therapists, not replace them. Finally, there's the issue of regulation. The tech is moving much faster than the laws to govern it. Many mental health apps are classified as general wellness devices, which don't require strict oversight. Thankfully, regulatory bodies are starting to catch up. The FDA has approved Rejoin, the first prescription app for depression, and is running pilot programs to evaluate new AI tools. But more comprehensive oversight is desperately needed. So where do we go from here? The future of AI in mental health is set to expand even further. We can expect to see AI playing a huge role in preventative care, using data from our smartwatches and phones to identify risks before symptoms become severe. The role of the human therapist will also evolve. They will become AI-savvy clinicians, using AI-driven insights to enhance their practice while focusing on the uniquely human aspects of therapy, empathy, wisdom, and building a true connection. Ultimately, the integration of AI into mental health care isn't about a choice between human and machine. It's about creating a powerful partnership. By combining the computational power of AI with the irreplaceable empathy of human professionals, we can build a new future for mental wellness, one that is more accessible, more personalized, and more effective for everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Fun Facts Online.